Fliki script to video. Log in or sign up at Fliki AI. Select Script option under the Video section. In the script box, write or paste your script. Check the Summarize option in case you want Fliki to summarize the script. Hit Next. Now select the desired aspect ratio and pick a template of your choice. You can also select Auto Layout if you want to let AI create unique layouts for you. Hit Next. Time to select the language and dialect of the video. Fliki provides 80+ language options and 100+ dialect options. Next, you can choose whether you want premium stock media or unique AI media for each scene. You can pick from styles like 3D model, anime, cinematic, comic book, etc. For now, let's select the cinematic style. Next, let's select our desired AI avatar by clicking on the avatar icon. Here you can filter by gender. Hover over the avatar to play a sample. Once satisfied, double-click on the avatar to select. Next, let's select the voice for our video by clicking the voice name. Here you can filter by language, dialect, and gender. Hit the speaker icon to play a sample of the voice. Once satisfied, double-click on the voice to select. Finally, hit Submit. Fliki will create the video based on your script and selections. Once the video is created, you can preview the video by clicking on the play icon below the video.
Time management secrets for peak performance. Are you constantly feeling overwhelmed and struggling to keep up with your workload? Discover proven strategies to reclaim your time and boost your productivity. Before you can manage your time effectively, you need to understand where it's going. Track your activities for a week to identify time-wasting habits.
This looks amazing. However, if you want to make changes to generated video, you can do it quite easily. Let's say you want to change the voice in a particular scene. You can click on a scene to expand. Next, click on the voice name in the voiceover layer. It will open the voice picker where, again, you can filter by language, dialect, and gender. Hit the speaker icon to play a sample of the voice. Once satisfied, either double-click on the voice or click the Select button. If you want to apply the same voice to all the scenes, select Apply to all scenes before clicking the Select option. Next, to change media, click on the media icon to select the background for your scene. You can either select media from our premium stock library, upload your own media, or get AI-generated visuals via the Generate tab. Let's click on Auto Generate. It will generate a unique visual based on your scene's context. You can convert this generated image into an AI video clip by first selecting Video Clip option, then selecting Generate Video Clip using this image button. You can also quickly convert the image to AI video clip by clicking Create Video option in the media layer, then hitting Confirm. Finally, if you want to add your brand logo to the video, click on Add Layer option in the common scene and select Watermark. Next, click Choose File to upload your brand logo. You can also search your brand logo if you've previously uploaded it. Click on the logo to set it as a watermark. You can also resize, reposition, and even change the opacity of the watermark as per your need. Similarly, you can also change the background music by clicking the music name in the background audio layer. Now to download the video, click Download, then select your desired resolution and video format. Then hit Start Export, then Start. The final exported video would show up after it is rendered. You can download the subtitles of the video in your desired format as well. Click Download MP4 to download your rendered video. This video is created using Fliki with the voice of Lydia,